If you're seeing a Google Drive error 403, don't worry. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the most common fixes step by step so you can get back into your file as quickly as possible. Error 403 usually means there's a permission issue, a signed-in account mismatch, or sometimes a browser problem that's stopping Drive from loading properly. The good news is that in most cases, it's very easy to fix, and if this tutorial helps you out, please take a second to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tech fixes like this. First, let's check the Google account you're using. Open Google Drive in your browser and look at the top right corner of the screen. Click your profile picture and make sure you're signed into the correct Google account. This is one of the most common reasons people get error 403 because the file may have been shared with a different account than the one currently active. If you have multiple Gmail accounts, it's very easy to open the wrong one without realizing it. So double check that before doing anything else. If the file belongs to someone else, then the next step is to request access. Open the Drive link to the file, and if you see a permission message, click Request Access. That sends a request to the owner so they can approve your account. Once they grant permission, you should be able to open the file normally. If you are the owner of the file and other people are seeing the 403 error, then you'll want to check your sharing settings. Right-click the file in Google Drive and click Get Link. Under General Access, make sure the sharing option is set correctly. If you want the file to be available publicly to anyone with the link, choose Anyone with the link. If you only want certain people to access it, keep the permissions restricted and add the correct users instead. Then click Copy Link and share the updated link with the right audience. If the problem still continues, your browser cache may be causing the issue. This happens a lot in Google Chrome when old cookies or cached files interfere with Drive permissions. To clear that, open Chrome settings, then go to Privacy and Security and click Clear Browsing Data. Make sure to clear cookies and cached files, then restart your browser completely. After that, open Google Drive again and test the file once more. Another thing to keep in mind is download limits. If the file is popular or heavily shared, Google may temporarily block access or downloads to prevent abuse. In that case, the best solution is often to wait a few hours and try again later. Sometimes the block is temporary, and once the limit resets, the file opens normally. If you still can't get in, try opening the link in Incognito Mode. On Windows or Chrome, press Ctrl, Shift, and N together to launch a private window, then paste the Drive link again and see if it loads properly. Incognito Mode can help rule out extension issues, cached sessions, or account conflicts that may be triggering the error. So to recap, the fastest fixes for Google Drive error 403 are: confirm the correct Google account, request access if needed, check sharing settings if you own the file, clear your browser cache, wait if the download limit has been exceeded, and test the link in Incognito Mode. One of those solutions usually solves the problem. If this video helped, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss more simple troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.